Welcome back to MMAChampHQ.com. I'm your host, a certified MMA strength and conditioning specialist. And today we are stepping out of the octagon and into the cockpit of a machine that bridges the gap between high-end gaming and professional pilot training. This is the VR369D Motion Flight Simulator. For most, this looks like a premium arcade rig, but for the elite gym owner or the billionaire investor, this is a 20,000-pound asset designed to master the one thing most fighters and pilots neglect, and that is vestibular system training. In professional combat and aviation, your orientation in space is everything. Today, we are auditing the engineering, the 9D immersion, and the ROI of this Orbital motion suite. If you've been looking for the ultimate magnet attraction for your facility, pay attention to these technical specs. Let's look at the guts of this machine. We are talking about a 360-degree vertical rotation combined with an intelligent motion platform. Unlike basic simulators that just tilt, this 9D system uses high-precision electric actuators to simulate G-force, stall vibrations, and rapid pitch changes. The visual system is powered by a high-resolution Deepoon E3 VR headset, mapped to a 42-inch HD monitoring screen for spectators. But the magic is in the latency. In my technical audit, the response time between the joystick input and the hydraulic movement is near zero. This is critical because in strength and conditioning, we know that any lag in sensory input causes motion sickness. This rig is engineered for naked eye realism. It features a dual safety harness system built for high-intensity rotations. Whether you are performing a barrel roll in a dogfight or simulating a high-altitude drop, the physical feedback is absolute. As a certified specialist, I look at this through the lens of proprioception. Fighters spend thousands on bags and mats, but they rarely train their brain to handle extreme spatial disorientation. Integrating a 360-degree motion rig like this into a professional fight camp allows an athlete to maintain cognitive function while their world is spinning. We call this vestibular habituation. By putting your high-level students through a 10-minute flight simulation before sparring, you are force multiplying their ability to stay calm during a takedown or a scramble. This is the secret sauce of high-tech training that the 1% are using to stay ahead of the game. It's not just a game, it's a brain training powerhouse. Now let's talk business. At roughly 19,000 pounds, this unit isn't cheap, but the ROI is massive. For a commercial gym or an entertainment lounge, this is a pay-to-play goldmine. With an average session price of 15 to 20 pounds and a 5-minute cycle time, this machine can generate over 200 pounds in revenue during a single busy afternoon. It's low maintenance, runs on a standard 220-volt power supply, and has a footprint small enough to fit into any corner of a modern facility. When you factor in the foot traffic this attraction brings to your brand, the machine effectively pays for itself within the first 6 to 8 months of operation. That is a technical win for any facility manager. This has been my technical audit of the VR369D Motion Suite. I've personally vetted the suppliers on AliExpress to find the ones with the highest safety certifications and build quality. If you are ready to upgrade your facility from standard to elite, I have placed the direct deep link in the description below. Do your homework, check the shipping lead times, and secure your competitive edge. I'm Amjad, and this is MMAChampH.com. Stay technical, stay elite. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next high-ticket audit.